You can actually use CRISPR in humans to change DNA. You can actually do it.
David's doctor told me, just hold on, there's something coming.
What does that mean for this science? Are we playing God?
Taller, handsomer, more creative.
This tool fundamentally allows us to change our relationship with nature.